What's going on, YouTube? Got the windshield banner in today. I'm headed over O'Reilly Auto Parts because I didn't order the squeegee or the razor. So I'm gonna go do that, head back here, grab some energy drinks because my wife's lazy, and then she's gonna come out here and help me install the banner. See you guys soon. All right, we're back from O'Reilly Auto Parts. About to start this. This is everything you're gonna need. So, Windex, something to clean the window with, some razors to cut your vinyl, your squeegee, bottle of water for your vinyl, tape measure, so you can go ahead and measure the center point, and then some tape to mark the center point as well as hold down your vinyl, as well as a beautiful helper. We're using Windex here. Do not use something like a quick detailer because it's going to leave wax or a residue on your window, and then your vinyl's not going to stick very well. All right, so our center point is 23.5. We got a 47-inch windshield, which is pretty standard for windshields. So we're gonna go ahead and tape the top here, right above the windshield. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and lay out our vinyl here. You can see on ours, go ahead and have a little triangle to show you the center spot. And then we'll tape that down at the top here. Just gonna go ahead and tape it down now. And then we can make some adjustments as needed here. All right, so you're gonna wanna throw a couple of pieces of tape down so when you peel this backing paper off, it doesn't move your vinyl. All right, so Kaley is gonna peel this back. I'm gonna go on the other side and hold it for her. Make sure your vinyl's not getting messed up. All right. So I'm gonna keep pulling this back, and then she's gonna go ahead and cut just go ahead and cut it right there. If you can reach.
Just be careful not to cut your...
Yeah. There you go. Now just go grab the water. The water. And just spray it. Spray the windshield, and then we'll spray the vinyl as well. And go on the other side, and I'm gonna hand it off to you. And then pull it. Line it up as best as you can, and we'll squeegee and make sure we're squeegeeing down here to get all that water residue out instead of pushing it into the seal. Just trying to get all the air bubbles out as best as we can, all the water out. And we'll go over it a couple times after we're done squeegeeing it here. Just take your time while you're doing this. There's no need to rush. All right, this side's done. We're gonna go ahead and pull the tape off and then start doing the other side. So, try not to pull the thing off with it too. There you go. Same thing, I'll hold it over on this side. You should just be able to pull it all the way off now. I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side here and see what it looks like when we're finished. All right, now that it's pressed down, we're gonna go ahead and separate the paper from the vinyl. Just go ahead and do this process really slow. All right, now we're going through. Now we're going through and trying to fix all the little errors and get rid of all the air bubbles and all the water that's left over. All right, once you're happy with it and you go ahead and tuck these in to the side as best as you can, we're gonna go ahead and break out our razor and start cutting. See all these? Right there? Yep. I use this gap right here between the windshield and this trim. Just cut all the way up and around the whole thing. But yeah, just take your time whenever you're cutting it. That's probably the hardest part about doing all this, and make sure you have a helper. Makes it a lot easier. And this is how it looks from the inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but all these spots in here, those aren't air bubbles, that's water. So if you can see it from the outside, just come inside, take a look, and if it's water, it'll dry and you won't see that air bubble once it's all dried. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope this video helped you guys out. Let me know if you guys want any more videos installing stuff on the Type R. I got some Adams wheel cleaner, so I'm gonna wait for these wheels to get a little bit dirtier, and then I'll do a review on that. But turned out pretty well. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else on the Type R or the 4Runner. I haven't really talked about that much on the channel, but hope you guys have a good one. Make sure to like and subscribe.